In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or export your email subscriber list from AWeber. Whether you're organizing your data for further analysis, backup purposes, or transferring it to another platform, this process can be straightforward and simple to follow. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your AWeber account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your central hub for all things related to your email campaigns. Now focus on selecting the email list you wish to export. To do this, go to the topmost section of your dashboard and you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Current List. This is where you can choose the specific email list you want to work with. Make sure you pick the correct list, as you may have multiple lists. And selecting the right one is crucial for exporting the correct subscriber data. Next, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu with various options. You'll want to click on Subscribers, which will guide you to the section where all your subscriber information is neatly cataloged. This is essentially the heart of your email list, where you can view, manage, and now export your subscriber data. Before you proceed to export, you have the option to apply filters if you only want to target a specific group of subscribers. AWeber makes it easy to refine your selection based on various criteria. You can choose to export only those who are currently subscribed, or perhaps those who have unsubscribed. If you've made use of tags to organize your contacts, you can filter according to tagged subscribers. There's also the option for custom search results, which can be a powerful tool if you have very specific criteria in mind. Once you've made any necessary selections or applied filters, it's time to export your list. After your subscriber list has loaded and you're satisfied with what you see, simply look for the Export CSV button. Clicking on this will initiate the download of your subscriber list in a CSV format. CSV files are incredibly versatile as they can be opened and edited in programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet application that supports this format. To conclude, exporting your subscriber list in this manner is a seamless process that helps ensure you have control over your data, allowing you to leverage it for further marketing efforts or data analysis. Having access to your subscriber data in a manipulable format such as CSV is invaluable, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through exporting your AWeber subscriber list.